Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook catfish fillet. First, choose fresh catfish fillets that are firm to the touch and have a mild, clean scent. It is essential to pat your fillets thoroughly dry using paper towels. This step prevents steaming and promotes a delicious, crispy exterior. Then, season both sides generously with your favorite blend of spices. A simple combination of salt, black pepper, and garlic powder works wonderfully, or you can use a specific fish rub. This preparation ensures a flavorful foundation for your meal. For a classic pan-fried catfish, begin by heating 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as vegetable or canola oil, in a large skillet. You want the heat to be medium-high, shimmering but not smoking. Gently place your seasoned catfish fillets into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until the fish achieves a beautiful golden brown crust. The fish should easily flake with a fork when it is done. If you prefer a lighter alternative, baking is an excellent choice for your catfish fillets. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the seasoned fillets on a lightly oiled baking sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until cooked through and opaque. For a smoky flavor, grilling works beautifully. Brush the fillets with a little oil, then grill over medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Both options provide delicious, healthy meals without the need for deep frying. You can tell your catfish is perfectly cooked when its flesh is completely opaque throughout and it flakes easily when tested with a fork. There should be no raw or translucent spots visible. Serve your delicious, hot catfish immediately to enjoy its best texture and flavor. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the dish wonderfully. Pair your meal with simple, fresh sides like a crisp green salad, some creamy coleslaw, or a medley of roasted seasonal vegetables for a complete and satisfying experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.